Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with day number 41 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge, and today I worked more on the DOM in JavaScript. The first thing that I learned today was how to get text from a page and change it dynamically with text content and inner HTML. Then I took what I learned and I added a text box and a button to this page that allows it to change the description of this list. The next thing that I learned was how to change the style of an element on the page using the DOM. And I practiced this by adding a button to the list that when you click it, it hides the list, and if you click it again, it displays the list. After that, I learned how to add elements to a page by appending them to an existing element. And I practiced this by adding a text box and a button which allows the user to add items to the list. And the last thing that I learned was how to remove elements from a web page using the remove child method. And I put this into practice by adding a button that allows the user to remove the most recent item on the list. Alright, that's it for day number 41. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Have a great day.